Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at Google Stadia and we're going to get a free game right now. So there's various ways. Right now what I want to show you is that I do not have the pro subscription. So I'm not talking about that, I'm talking about real free games. So if we just tap on store, we're going to see all the games, and on the top you guys should see you have $10 off your next game purchase. That means we can get one game for free. And I'm not talking either about the other one that came out by accident for free on Stadia. So what we're gonna do is just scroll down and we're gonna see all games, tap on see all. And I'm just gonna get back to you guys about that mistake that Stadia made, and then they fixed it right away. So we're gonna go right into titles, price. So this will bring up the cheapest one right here, which is $6.99. Which would make those $10 go into that game, and that way you get it for free. Or you could get Steam World Dig, which would be $11.99, but then you have to spend a little money on your end. But if you guys get Doom, it's gonna be 100% free, and you're not gonna have any balance. It's just gonna spend that money and that's it. Now going back to the game that came out for free, there was actually a game right here which said $0, and some people did claim it. Others didn't do it fast enough, so they didn't get it. And just to show you guys I don't have Stadia Pro, with a really quick way of showing you is going into back here. I'm gonna go up here. Here's Stadia Pro games, see all. And if I was a member, I would see these as claimed, so I could just go ahead and play them. However, I see a price, and that's because I do not have these games. Even Destiny, which, let me just tap right there. As you can see, it tells me that I can buy it, or I can resubscribe in order to play. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys that before anybody tells me that I have the subscription. I don't, it already expired. This will work whether you guys have the subscription or not. So I'm gonna go back to store, I'm gonna go back here. I could just type it in, yes, but right, I just want to show you guys all the options that you do have in order to spend those $10. Sure, you guys could spend those $10 and get that discount on a better game, obviously, but this video is about getting a game 100% free. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is just going to Doom, and it tells me right here, you have $10 off your next game. And by the way, this expires December 2020, so that means I can wait. I don't really have to buy this one. I can buy another game later on that maybe comes out about the same price range, who knows. But hey, I want to show you guys that this actually works and that I'm not going to be spending any money out of pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and buy right now. So once I click on buy, I'm supposed to get this right here. Now don't mind any background noises, that's just my dog walking around. Anyways, right here we're going to see your credit card. The total should say 0, okay? So it should give you a minus sign right there, and then total $0. So go ahead, put in your security code and continue on. Now once I click on buy, it's gonna refresh. It's gonna take me here. It's gonna say purchased, and I can go ahead and play it. So I do not need to be subscribed in order to play this game, because right now I own it. Now, of course, in order to get this type of discount, you would have had to be a member before or a member right now. And the reason why Stadia is asking for my credit card information, although it's not going to charge me anything, is just in case it's a bigger game. So let's say it's a $50 game, it's going to take out only $10 off. I still have to pay those remaining $40. So that's why. However, as you guys could see, it's 0. It didn't charge me anything. So we're good to go. We can go ahead and play this game. So right now in my library, this will actually be the only game, because at the moment all I had was from my pro subscription stuff from there. But then since that expired, I don't have any more games, and this would be the first one that's actually purchased. So if I go ahead and tap on play, I can choose where to play. So I can go ahead on my computer, on my Chromecast, anywhere. Right now I'm doing this from an iPad, so that's why I can't play it right away. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.